So here's the deal with our American diet. Often called the SAD, Standard American Diet. Honestly, it's pretty terrible. We're talking about a diet packed with ultra-processed foods. You know, stuff you just rip open a plastic package and pop in your mouth that isn't really, well, food. The good news? Pretty much any other diet you try is going to be an improvement. There was even this study about folks with multiple sclerosis. They found that people on any kind of diet, vegetarian, South Beach, keto, paleo, did way better than those who weren't on any specific diet at all, which again, basically means they were eating the SAD. The only exception was a specific wall diet, but that was because those patients were already sicker, so the diet was more a symptom of their illness than the cause. The big takeaway from all this? It's not just for MS patients, it's for all of us. When people say they feel amazing on a keto diet or paleo or South Beach, it's probably because those aren't the perfect diets. It's because they're a massive upgrade from the junk we usually eat. Anything's better than that. It's clear our standard American diet isn't doing us any favors. Full of highly processed, non-food items straight from a package, it often leaves us feeling less than our best. But here's the empowering truth. Almost any shift away from the SAD is a step in the right direction. Studies, like the one with MS patients, consistently show that simply adopting any structured eating plan, whether it's vegetarian, South Beach, keto, or paleo, leads to significant improvements. The real magic isn't necessarily in one perfect diet, but in the profound positive change that comes from ditching the ultra-processed stuff and choosing real food. So, let's embark on this journey together towards a healthier, more vibrant, and truly energized you. Remember, every small, conscious choice you make isn't just a step, it's a significant victory for your well-being. This isn't about striving for an impossible perfection, but rather about embracing consistent progress and celebrating each healthier decision. With every mindful bite, you're actively building a stronger foundation for a future brimming with vitality, genuine happiness, and profound well-being. Let's embrace this incredible journey with optimism and self-compassion because you absolutely deserve to live your best life full of purpose and robust health.